KS3 chemistry is full of invisible things. You cannot see an ion, or a bond breaking, or oxidation. So children learn to memorize the words and the formulae without ever picturing what is really happening. Then, around year 10, the math stops behaving, and nobody can quite say why. Most chemistry tutoring opens the textbook, finds a worked example, and walks the child through balancing the equation. The maths comes first, the picture comes second, or never. Prof Curie does the opposite. She builds the mental model of what the particles are doing before a single number appears, because once the picture is right, the maths becomes 10 times easier. Here is how a Curie session actually works. She never opens with a definition. She opens with a probe, a diagnostic question that hunts for the wrong model. When sugar dissolves, where do the particles go? Then she builds the picture in 3 layers: what you observe, what the particles are doing, and only at the very end, what we write down with symbols. Numbers are a symbol-level activity, and they come last. And Curie is not working alone. She sits in a faculty of 7 professors, each a specialist, all coordinated by mentor at the center. Whether it is maths, English, biology, chemistry, or physics, the Socratic habit is the same. Probe the understanding first, build the picture, and never just hand over the answer. Curie brings the model-first method to chemistry. And like every professor, Curie adapts to the week's energy. Green means lean experimental, harder probes, GCSE preview, what if we tried this? Amber means slow down, more real-world anchoring, fewer new ideas. Red is homework support only, no new learning at all. Well-being comes before any worksheet. Professor Curie does not replace a great chemistry teacher, and she never will. But she can make the picture land before the numbers do, the way Marie Curie herself worked. We are now warmly inviting the first 100 founding member families to aitutors.me.
Meet Prof Curie at aitutors.me.